In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a WooCommerce checkout page fast and easy. Whether you're building a new online store or looking to refine your current setup, having a well-structured checkout page is crucial for seamless customer transactions. Let's dive into the step-by-step guide to setting this up without breaking a sweat. First, head to your WordPress dashboard. This is your command center where you control every aspect of your website. Once you're in, you'll want to find the Pages section in the menu on the left side. This is where we'll begin the process of creating a new page. Click on Pages to reveal your existing pages and give us access to add a fresh one. Next, look for the option to add a new page. You should see a button labeled Add Page. Click it, and we'll be directed to a fresh slate where we can create a new entry for our site. For this tutorial, let's keep it simple and straightforward by naming this new page Checkout. This will help you and your customers identify the page's function easily within your navigation structure. Once you've named it, hit Publish. This step will make your new checkout page live, preparing it for integration with WooCommerce. With our page set, it's time to head back to your dashboard, where we'll take the next steps to link this page with WooCommerce, a powerful tool for setting up e-commerce functionalities. So return to your dashboard, then locate and click on WooCommerce in the menu. This will open up all the settings and options specific to your online store. From here, navigate to the Settings option. WooCommerce settings house vast and versatile options to tailor and tweak your store. You'll find different tabs here, but today we are focusing on the Advanced tab, so click on it. In the Advanced settings, you'll notice a section dedicated to checkout options. This is where the magic happens. Under this section, find the Checkout Page setting. This is where we'll assign the page we just created. From the drop-down menu, select our newly published checkout page. Finally, to cement all the changes and ensure your WooCommerce checkout process is ready to roll, don't forget to click Save Changes. This crucial step will lock in your selections and make sure everything is connected and synchronized correctly. And that's it. You've successfully added a WooCommerce checkout page quickly and easily. With this setup, your customers can enjoy a seamless transition from selecting goods straight to completing their purchase. Continue to customize and enhance your site to offer an even better user experience and watch your business thrive. Thanks for watching, and happy selling.